I'm very happy to present you this nice concept that was developed by Omron, which is what we call the mobile manipulator or Harmony. And this is a concept of a collaborative robot mounted on a mobile robot. So the collaborative robot is also equipped with a 2D vision sensors that can localize some product in a bin, so the robot can pick them and do some order preparation or order fulfillment for e-commerce application, for example. Or it can be also some what we call the bin picking applications for smart kitting in the flexible automation industry. So it can be applied to e-commerce, it can be applied to automotive industry or different sector of applications. The 3D vision systems return the coordinates of the parts, so localize the parts, whatever the orientation is, and then the robot defines its own strategy to pick it up based on the information about the shelf position, but also human information about if there is a human somewhere, it tries to avoid it and not hit it, obviously. The type of application we can address with this concept is typically the bin picking application or the picking applications for the e-commerce. So for order fulfillment or order preparation. So people can place some order to e-commerce website and order different type of products, but it can be a wide variety of products. And the robot has to be able to pick up these parts and prepare the order based on what the customer ordered and make a full order preparation. The good thing with this setup is we have the robot and the machine taking care of the difficult task and the heavy task carrying the product when the operator is bringing much more value doing inspections and order arrangement and other kind of management tasks. That's 2 minutes. Follow us for more.